Hi, welcome to this brief introduction to the remote cycle billing management software. Here you have the dashboard for your business. In this case, it's our pilot customer, SmartLife. They're a water distribution company in Nairobi, Kenya that sells filtered containers of water to consumers and delivers them to their households. You can see they have two different products. One's a 10-liter bottle of water and the other's an 18.9-liter bottle of water. And this dashboard gives you the kind of big picture analytics about your business. In this case, this gives the total amount of units that have been consumed, and they monitor their units of products based on liters because they sell water, total amount of liters of water sold for 10 liters, and in fact you just saw this update because, well, it's in use at the moment in Nairobi, and total amount of money that's been charged for those liters of water sold. Next, we'll move on to subscription settings, and here you've got all of the different customers in the pilot and their unique subscriptions that they have. So each one of these rows is what we call a subscription. It's a unique combination of a customer, a way of paying for something, a product itself, and then the number of units of the product being sold. So the subscription plan is how you pay for something. In this case, SmartLife has 3 different subscription plans for this particular office. They have indefinite payments, weekly payments that are due on Fridays, Mondays, and Thursdays. So in this case, it's sort of like electricity consumption where you don't have a fixed amount of time, your relationship with the particular business. Instead, it's an indefinite relationship. And payments are due on these particular days of the week, but they could be days of the month, for example. It's all very flexible. Next, you've got the product, and here is the product vector. In this case, we have 2 different products that are being offered, and this can be easily modified to accommodate many, many more. And this also tells you how much it costs for that particular product. Off to the right, you have the number of units sold of that particular product for this unique subscription. So Christine could have a subscription with 10 liters of water that are due, her payments are due on Fridays, but Christine could also purchase, say, 18.9 liters of water, and that would be a second subscription. And each subscription has a unique account number, and I'll go back to that. So we've got 2 significant innovations you'll see here. The first is that we have decoupled the particular way in which you pay for a product from the product itself. So the benefit of this is that you could have a particular subscription plan, so payments due on, let's say Mondays, okay? And then you have a particular product for that subscription, so 18.9 liters of water, and then we have the same subscription plan, the weekly payments due on Monday, but this time it's for 10 liters of water. So this makes for very fast building of unique subscriptions for clients. And the other innovation is that we have decoupled the number of products sold from the product itself. Most billing management softwares combine the two. The detriment of this is that businesses do not have a way to monitor the amount of the product that's being consumed by its clients. This is simply because it would be as if you're saying 1 bottle of 10 liters of water under this product subscription. So the system itself would not know how many liters of water, or excuse me, bottles of 10 liters are being consumed because this reads it as a string, not as a numeric value. So this is why we separate it as a separate column. And you'll see we've got different numbers of bottles of water sold for the same 10-liter bottle. So let's quickly go to our bills, and this is where you'll see the unique account numbers that I was referencing before. And this is telling you here when the payments are due, how much is due. So here's when the bill is sent out, when is the payment due, and how much the bill is. And in some cases, the payments have been made and others not. So you'll see in this case, 180 shillings were made. And in fact, that was too much. So your system will be notified of that. And that's about all you need to know. And thank you so much for your time.